Today, I'm going to teach you how to install unlimited elements for Elementor in Elementor. This powerful plugin expands your design capabilities significantly by giving you access to hundreds of additional widgets and templates that aren't available in the standard Elementor package. It's a game changer for anyone looking to create more dynamic and professional-looking WordPress sites without touching a single line of code. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. This is the back end of your site where you control everything from content to plugins. Simply navigate to your site's URL and add /wp-admin at the end. Enter your username and password to access the dashboard. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step and move straight to the next one. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left sidebar where all your main WordPress options are listed. From there, navigate to Plugins and hover over it. A submenu will appear with several options. Click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse, search, and install new plugins to enhance your website's functionality. WordPress makes this process incredibly straightforward, so you won't need any technical expertise to follow along. Now you'll see a search field in the top right corner of the plugins page. Click into that field and type Unlimited Elements for Elementor. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering through thousands of available plugins to match your search. Within seconds, you should see Unlimited Elements for Elementor appear in the results. Make sure you're selecting the correct plugin, as there are sometimes similar names. Look for the official one with high ratings and a large number of active installations to ensure you're getting the right tool. Once you've found it, click the Install Now button. This will download and install the plugin directly to your WordPress site. The button will change to show a loading animation, so just give it a moment to complete. Depending on your internet speed and server performance, this might take a few seconds. Don't navigate away from the page while it's installing, as this could interrupt the process and cause errors. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will automatically change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Activation is a crucial step because simply installing a plugin doesn't make it functional. You need to activate it for it to integrate with Elementor and start providing you with those extra widgets and design options you're after. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated Unlimited Elements for Elementor. Now you can start exploring all the additional widgets and templates available to enhance your Elementor designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.